You awoke at an ungodly hour. Drive to work through complete gridlock. Streets clogged with other half-asleep drivers. Slog through mind-numbing email after mind-numbing email before the sweet release at 5 p.m. Doesn't that sound awful? What if, instead of struggling with the monotony and drudgery of the rat race to make a few dollars, you could make money at any moment, from anywhere, even when you sleep? That is the premise of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a well-known strategy for increasing sales and generating substantial online revenue. The recent drive toward less conventional marketing strategies has been extremely helpful to both labels and affiliate marketers. In reality, 81% of brands and 84% of publishers use affiliate marketing, a figure that will continue to rise as affiliate marketing spending in the United States rises year after year. Per year, partner marketing revenue in the United States grows by 10.1%, bringing the total to $6.8 billion by 2020. In 2018, content marketing costs were estimated to be 62% of conventional marketing schemes while producing 3 times the leads generated by traditional approaches. In reality, affiliate marketing can be credited to 16% of all online orders. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate promotion is the mechanism by which an affiliate receives a fee for promoting the goods of another individual or organization. The associate looks for a product they want to sell and receives a percentage of the sales from each sale. Affiliate links from one website to another are used to chart purchases. How does affiliate marketing work? Since affiliate marketing operates by sharing the tasks of product marketing and development through parties, it can harness the talents of a diverse group of people for a more successful marketing campaign while still supplying contributors with a cut of the profits. 3 relevant contributors must be present for this to work. First are sellers and product creators. The manufacturer, whether a sole proprietor or a large corporation, is a vendor, merchant, product maker, or supplier who has a product to sell. A commodity may be a tangible item, such as household products, or a service, such as makeup tutorials. The distributor, also known as the company, may not have to be directly engaged in the promotion, but they can also be the advertiser and benefit from the revenue share associated with affiliate marketing. The second is the affiliate or publisher. The affiliate, also known as a publisher, may be an agent or a corporation that markets the seller's goods to prospective customers appealingly. The affiliate sells the product to reassure customers it is useful to them to persuade them to buy the product. If the buyer purchases the commodity, the affiliate keeps a part of the sales. Affiliates often advertise to a very specific audience, usually adhering to the audience's needs. This provides an established niche or personal identity for the affiliate, allowing them to draw customers who are more willing to act on the promotion. The third is the consumers. If the customer realizes it or not, they, and their purchases, are the driving force behind affiliate marketing. Affiliates promote these brands on social media, blogs, and websites. When a customer purchases a good, the distributor and the affiliate split the profits. Perhaps the affiliate will want to be open and honest with the buyer, revealing that they are compensated for the profits they create. The buyer can be unaware of the affiliate marketing infrastructure that underpins their purchase. Here, they will rarely pay more for a commodity bought by affiliate marketing. The affiliate's cut of the sales has already factored into the selling price. The buyer will complete the purchasing process and receive the goods normally untouched by the affiliate marketing scheme in which they play an important role. If you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, I will leave a link below for you to join a training today that will help you create the future of your dreams. This time, let us tackle about 7 reasons why you should be an affiliate marketer. The first is because of the passive income. While every regular career needs you to be present at work to earn money, affiliate marketing allows you to earn money while you sleep. When you spend an initial time in a promotion, you can see constant sales as customers order the product over the next few days and weeks. You get paid for your work even after you have completed it. And when you are not in front of your machine, your marketing experts will generate a constant stream of profits for you. The second reason is that it has no customer support. Individual retailers and businesses selling goods or services must interact with their customers to ensure they are happy with their purchases. You will never have to worry about customer service or satisfaction thanks to the affiliate marketing structure. The associate marketer's sole responsibility is to link the seller and the buyer. After you collect your fee from the sale, the vendor handles all buyer grievances. The third is that you can work from home. If you dislike going to work, affiliate marketing is the ideal option for you. When operating from the convenience of your own home, you will launch promotions and earn money from the goods that sellers make. The fourth reason is that it is cost-effective. To fund the goods being offered, most companies need startup fees and a cash flow. Affiliate marketing can be achieved at a low rate, allowing you to get started fast and easily. There are no affiliate program payments to be concerned with, nor is it necessary to make a commodity. It is relatively simple to get started in this line of work. Fifth is that affiliate marketing is convenient and flexible. Since you are effectively being a freelancer, you have complete autonomy in setting your targets, redirecting your course as you feel so inclined, selecting the items that attract you, and even deciding your hours. Because of this ease, you may diversify your portfolio or concentrate only on clear campaigns. You will now be free of group constraints and rules, as well as underperforming departments. Sixth is that it has performance-based rewards. In other jobs, you could work an 80-hour week and still make the same amount of money. Affiliate marketing is entirely focused on performance. What you bring into it is what you can get out of it. Improving the review capabilities and creating engaging campaigns would cause direct sales increases. You'll be compensated for your excellent work. Now, the seventh reason is that SEO can help you with your marketing. If you do SEO correctly, you will get a lot of organic traffic from search engines. The days of misleading Google with search engine optimization are long gone. Today, it is more about making the website more user-friendly. People are naturally drawn to the internet in search of facts. That is why you can study the fundamentals of on-page SEO, keyword analysis, and connection building so that you can be the first source of knowledge they discover. Who wouldn't want to be ranked first in Google for words like best product or product review? And that's it for affiliate marketing. If you liked this video, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos.